What is Eduroam? Hello everyone! Today I'm going to explain what Eduroam is. Eduroam stands for Education Roaming. If your university is part of Eduroam, you can use your school username and password to connect to the internet at thousands of participating campuses. For example, if you study in Brazil and visit a university in another country, just connect to the Eduroam network and sign in with your university credential. You can connect to Eduroam. Use your school login from home. Select the network, don't delay. Type your email, you're on your way. You can connect to Eduroam. Log in and you're not alone. Eduroam, Eduroam. Connect anywhere you go. Use your password, take your time, check the format. It must be right. If it fails, don't be stressed. Your IT team can help you best. Internet works, that's what you get. But some systems aren't open yet. For internal apps, don't forget. You may need VPN access. Eduroam. Log in and you're not alone. Eduroam. Connect anywhere you go. Eduroam access.